Greetings, Earthlings. I'm working off my battery on the laptop because why? We're having a windstorm that knocked all the power out about an hour and a half ago. So I have about 30 minutes probably on my laptop. And Hungry's already asleep because he's not feeling well. Yellow Petey's all covered up. I want to have a cup of tea, but I don't want to go outside to make it. Because, you know, we're all electric around here, and I'd have to go turn on the camp stove or the grill. And it's too windy, really, safely to be out there. I looked across the lake, and there's not even one little flicker of light anywhere, so nothing. I wonder how long it'll be. One time we didn't have power for 3 days, and I thought I'd go out of my mind being cooped up in the house, all alone. But we had heat, and we got the heaters going and the generator going. Anybody that lives around here doesn't have a generator, better have a friend who has a generator. So we didn't get that out of the garage. We got propane tanks and stuff ready to go, but we have the heater out, but didn't get the generator because I can't do it with my bum arm. Yeah, we know you can't use this in the house. However, it was 38 degrees in here today. And we have the windows front and back cracked a little bit. And I have to keep going out and checking our tea on the grill.